Prepare the soil before sowing in any farming land. That's what you're going to see with your practical experience from Mr. Shiva and his farm and Ms. Mahalashmi from our group. And what you're seeing here, the real absolute beauty of tillage and our ancestors did. It's not just like, with a machine, it's a clear thing, but definitely slow and steady, help the soil nicely and bringing upside down, downside up, and rotating kind of thing. And now, not only that, along with the move, the cows, their waste mixed with that soil, which adds to the fertilizing form of it and enhance the fertility and aids the tightness of the soil, all those stuff. Now, other way around, that is using machine bit of thing, or you can use a large scale. They use a tractor, something and all with a machine to prepare the soil before sowing. Now you can see that clearly how it's beautifully happening, and this is the using hand tool itself, that trying to break the hardness of the soil and remove the weeds. These are the steps most important factor, and make sure the soil is always over 2 times: free flowing and fertile soil. Now to make the soil free flowing and fertile, so that the roots can penetrate after sowing, that it can establish the sapling or seeds to grow beautifully well in complete naturally. Now the process doesn't end here, just the tillage. After that, adding the natural manure, which is the waste of cow, goat, all those stuff. So those mixed with that, adding the soil with that mix of this, so the soil will be better enough to hold the moisture content, and if the soil will be free flowing. These all definitely help to retain the soil moisture, soil fertility. At the same time, plants find easy to grow. So this what you're seeing here, you can see that how this way the machinery. But still, that the very important factor we need to consider, that if you're using it, that simple lightweight tool which you use in the tillage, our ancestors did, that will be so amazing for the soil on a long-term basis. Now, here Miss Mahalakshmi captured the beautiful moment of the curry leaves form, where they made the saplings, plantings of saplings after the tillage. Now you can see that the spacing in between, and the next step, what as I told you earlier, free flowing fertile soil. The soil is free flowing and fertile enough now to kickstart the things. So look at the beautiful view of the form and the spacing in between. And see, sowing here with the with the walking, when you just putting, not even pressing, when just walking, the soil is pressing very nicely going in. So see this is the very, very important, as I said, free flowing. You should, it makes the roots very easier to move in, and the soil already rotated well and it prepared well before this, so the plant will find it very, very easier to breathe. Getting oxygen to the roots, this will be much, much better. And whilst we start watering in the base, deep watering, this will definitely make a huge difference in growing. So this is the curry leaves plant. You can see here. So it's putting her legs only. It's just going, not even pressing, just putting her feet. It's going inside. So this is what she wanted to show very purposely here, how the soil prepared, because it was a hard soil prepared this way with the tillage, and then how it's made it easier. Looks very free flowing well. Same time, find it easier for the plant to breathe in oxygen and grow nicely without any issues. And the other factor, the fertilizer, which is natural fertilizer, which is what the manure kind of thing used. There are in a small scale you can do that, it's a kitchen waste glory as well, but in a large scale, when you're doing in a big farm, so that won't be sufficient enough. So you need to go for the manure, which is cow dung, is there, goat manure, chicken manure, which is basically the waste of the poops, which is aged one. For example, cow one, it's aged one, at least 6 months old. The manure, which is mixed very well along with the like a neem cake, this thing, which is not only fertilizing, at the same time pest repellent. In natural farming, there's nothing called killing of the pest, but sending of the pests. That's why pest repellent stuff mixed added with that. So after all this process of preparing, planting, just watering, this is what the result. You can see that the beautiful glory of curry leaves. So now you have seen yourself practically with your own eyes how the preparation of soil happens before sowing or planting. So this is a complete one which is captured by Mr. Siva from India, and again from Ms. Mahalakshmi from India. Both are in our group, WhatsApp group, who we practically share our experiences across the globe with a complete natural way of growing our own food. Yeah, space and the place never ever be a constraint to grow your own food. All it matters patience with persistence. But when you want to grow in a complete natural way, you need to have the strong intention and coupled with action. That's it. Thank you.